Good morning, my Powerful MVP family. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. This is your girl, Miss Bev. And this quick video, guys, I just really had to do this quick video. You know, as a child growing up, my grandmother, she did farming. My uncle, he would come over and they did they farmed. Not huge scale, but they farmed and they sold what they farmed. And I have been exposed to plant anything that they're planting. If it's papaya, they take the seeds out and to replant them. Um, Mango seed, they would do the same thing. Mango, pepper, tomato. If they have some good large tomato, I forget what they used to call them, or they get whatever seeds there were, they used to dry them. Callaloo, they would dry it and put it in the paper bags and secure them. So I was watching Jeffries, is a YouTuber who does a lot of irrigation stuff, how to water your plants with the little plastic water bottles to put the wicks in them and to plant. And then when he plant the seeds like pepper or whichever seeds, he would just put the seed, take the good eating part from the peppers and just put the seed in the soil and plant them and showcase how they. And I was saying, but how could that be? The seeds need to be dried. And guys, look at this. I cooked some pepper, sweet pepper. I used some sweet pepper and I kept the seeds. And you see this planter right here, this thing. God, there, see a bird through the window. Right, so there was a plant in this container, and my granddaughter, she's up and moving. She's almost 2 now, and Gia Marie just came in, and I don't know what it is with the plants, but she would just break the leaves off, just tear the leaves off. See that half leaf right there? She just breaks them. She just breaks them. And I said, when she comes, I'm picking up the plants and putting them out of her reach. But she follows her brother and she is a climber, just like Grayson is. And I have to keep hiding the plants when they come. But just her, Grayson doesn't bother the plant. But Gia will just tear the leaves off, just rip them off. And then she laughs and she brings them and gives them to me. So this plant, it's sad to say, but she ripped it so much that the plant died. And I kept this. So I was cooking and I had the seeds. And in my head, I said, let me see, it's spring, time to plant. Let me try something. So if you notice that brown piece right there, that's what the seeds were on. This right here. I'm going to show you something. Where's the camera? See that? Everything is magnified. But this was the stem of the seed. That was it. And I brought it in and I stuffed it right here. Right where you see these are. I just put them with all the seeds there. And all of a sudden, guess what, guys? There are the pepper seeds. You look at them, you see that they're pepper leaves. Those of you who do planting. You see that? There are pepper leaves. All the seeds that were on that thing. See them there? I was so happy. I poured a little water around. I magnified it just so that it can but I poured some water around it, not on them, but around them. And I was shocked yesterday to see them come up. And then this morning, see the leaves are getting bigger. And so definitely, I know Donnie is planting in the ground in the backyard. We have 2 boxes in there, two boxes on the blacktop for vegetables and stuff like that. And it's a bird back there. It's not on the grass. Right? And so but sometimes when he dig the dirt, then you have those little garden snakes that jumps out on them and stuff that comes up. I don't want to see those things. So I'm planting in flower pots. I'm getting like 2 big flower pots or 3 big ones, and I'm getting potted soil for tomato, cucumbers, and pepper. So some of these, he's gonna get some of those to plant in the yard, and I'm gonna get maybe 4 to plant in my flower pot. So that's how it's gonna be this year. So it's just quite amazing, guys. You grow up learning some things, but you now learn that green pepper seeds, you can put them in the soil just as they don't have to be dried in order for them to spring up. They can go in the soil right out of the pepper. We're used to them drying them out, and then bring them to the farm and dropping them little by little. But look at that. So that's my little thing for today, guys. And those are my little toy garden tools. I magnified it right now. They have been magnified 3 times. But those things are small. So those are the pepper, guys. So plant something today. Plant something in a flower pot. Don't just have flowers that you cannot eat. Plant a pepper plant in a pot. Plant a cucumber. Put the sticks around it, and so they can run and bring forth cucumbers. If it's even 2 cucumbers, those are 2 you don't have to buy. Those are 2 have no oil on it, has no pest, no kind of stuff on it that you're eating in your body that is just breaking down our bodies, and just creating the havoc that it's creating. But plant something that it's yours, fresh and organic, from your garden to the table. So again, you could plant with me this year. I'm going to be doing the flower pots. So plant something. When I get my pots and fill them up, I will take you with me and we can plant. I don't want to go in the dirt and dig because I don't want to see anything crawling up. I'm going to run and scream. But anyhow, that's beside the point. God made everything for a reason. So we do what we do. There's enough space for everyone. And we just do what we do and we keep moving. So have a great day by choice, guys. I just wanted to share my little pepper plants with you as they come up. And we'll get ready to be transferred to bigger pots so they can bring forth fruits or veggies in their time. Make it a great day by choice, everybody. Much love. Always. Shout out to the regular people. Thanks to all of you who have been supporting. Thanks to for the new subscribers. Welcome. Got up this morning and noticed I got messages from 2 new people. Welcome to the channel, my friends. Totally appreciate you. Please share a video or 2 or more and invite your friends to also join. Listen to the videos. I sing, I do poetry, I cook, I dance, I crochet, and I uplift people with words of love, encouragement, just encourage and empower people to get up and move, to just not sit around and let the weight become them, but for them to embrace who they are and to get up and strive for more, and strive for better, and just dance, just move, just sing, just do the things. So uplift your spirit so you can get out there and do what you need to do. Jet, I'm proud of you. I saw your video early this morning. I watched it. I was just smiling. I'm thankful that you're trying your best to move more. And the more you try, so believe me, it's the more you're going to be able to push through. So keep on trying. Never give up. Keep on trying. Sometimes it seems hard because you feel the pain. But you know what? Just rub the pain and keep going. Just rub it and say, oh my God, this pain, this pain. But just rub it and keep going. Push through. Because I'm telling you, when the weight starts coming off, the pains will be hopefully less. All right, so Life with Bev Brown, pick up yourself. Thanks for all you do, little Kayla. I hope that you will learn to listen and learn to do what you need to do so that you can, you can be safe and you can, that you learn to appreciate what is being done for you. You're a good kid. You are an awesome young girl, but you need to just, make sure that you're listening to Auntie Dawn so that it is more, it's you'll make her happier to do a lot more. So listen, my dear, listen. It's one-on-one. Somebody gives you directions, and just the first time, and you listen and do what you're supposed to do. So big up yourself, Kayla. Big up yourself, Bev Brown. The Blessing Soup Kitchen is onward and upwards. Trending Live TV. More power to you, my friend. Can't wait for you to be monetized again. But keep on the grind. Keep on the grind. You'll get it done. Little J Plays, I see you. You're on the grind too, trying to get your watch hours in. I wish you all the best and all the charming Tracy, guys. If you haven't subscribed to her, go support her. Jet has her channel. Please go over and support Jet. She's begging for support. And all of you out there who are doing your channels and doing your content, have your platforms, just use them for good. Use them for good. Use them to empower and uplift. Use them for those things so that people will not feel so lost and alone, but people will find hope and understand that there are people out there who do care. So onward and upwards, my family. And until the next video, which is going to be maybe later today, because I'm going down on the treadmill later today. I'm going to do the treadmill. I'm going to tap on the stairs. Hopefully I can do 150 again, because on Sunday I did get to 150. So yesterday, guys, you saw the video. I was in the living room area on the gazelle. I did my arm thing with my pulley, and I also did a few knee pull-ups. Try to strengthen the muscles in my stomach again. So make it a great one by choice. Much love, much respect. Take care of yourselves. You can't be good. Be careful. Walk good, do good, live